Hello everyone and welcome to a very special show where me and Alison and Daniel here are going to be showing you the brand new Designer's Choice die for January. If you can order it today, it's available now and we'll be dispatching it from the 22nd of January. So what today's show is all about is we're going to show you what's in the die set itself, and they're bumper sets. So yeah, we'll show you what it's all about. Alison's here and we're going to go through some demo boards. We got some inspiration here too, and we got the dies themselves, and yeah, it's a really fun versatile set.
It is fun this time, and I think it's going to appeal to all ages, young, old, and everything in between.
Yeah, it does. It creates a unique look. So this one's the Just For You trifold die set, okay? You'll see the reason why it's called a trifold, and we'll explain all that to you, but it's a really cool concept card that you're going to be able to use again and again, and Designer's Choice, we talked to the designers, so the designers upstairs who let us know and tell us about that, and that's what Jodie, who designed it, wanted to be all about. It's like versatility on this one, and being able to move it in different ways and change it. And you're going to see the versatility through the inspiration now, right? So we'll kick it off and we'll tell you the core features of this die set.
Well, I think the core, I'm going to show you a card to start with so it makes sense to you. So the beginning is, no, I got the wrong one.
There we go.
This is your trifold card. So you've got a little opening on the front where you've got extra sentiments that you can add to it. So it's a nice little tweak, I think, to a card. So that's the beginning point. So let me show you what the dies are. We've got 25 dies in this set. So it's a fair amount of dies.
Yeah, I think it's the biggest Designer's Choice die sets that we've done so far, and yeah, you're getting your money's worth. And on that point, the dies now, they are $19.99. Okay, so that's in the US and the UK. Yeah, so a quality set exclusively from Tonic Studios, and as I said, if you order immediately, you can order today. It'll be dispatched from the 22nd on Wednesday. If you order after that, it'll be dispatched immediately. All right.
There we go. So just in front of me here, if we can do a downward shot, then I can show you the dies. This is exactly as they're going to come to you. So you can see there's some bigger dies, some smaller dies, lots of sentiments there that all work together. So I'm going to show you the boards next. So this is where the starting point is. So this is your 3 leaves to your card, should I say. So you've got your starting point, which says just, and we've got the decoration, we've got lovely little pop-out flowers there, nice little bit of paper piecing if that's what you like to do. Then we have 4, which has got a tab which attaches to the left-hand side of your card, and then we have you, which attaches to the right-hand side of your card, and the tabs are there, so you haven't got to do any cutting, any measuring, everything is there for you. And then we move on to the decoration. So we have Just Because, with just married, just a note, with love, just to say, and then we have all the little flowers, leaves, swirls, hearts, everything you're going to want to decorate these cards. You've got a backing plate for all these sentiments, so they're all standalone sentiments on their own. None of them are verso, but they've all got an extra backing plate. So again, plenty there that you can play with. And also again, think of the shapes of these, that you can layer the shapes. A good little die set to play with, I think.
Yeah, you know, if you're going beyond the trifold. So what we're going to show you is you can see that trifold, that really cool mechanism that you got on the front. But you're going to be able to use all these like little features as well on other sets. On other makes that you're going to be doing as well, and we combine them with others as we show you in a moment. But yeah, that's what, you know, speaking with Jodie, not the Jodie, but another Jodie we have in our office, that's what she was talking about. Yeah, that versatility for the set, and I think she really wanted to get that.
She did.
That in there, and that bright sort of floral accessories to be able to, you know, you can individualize them as you want that. So yeah, it's a really, really cute set, and as Alice said, 25 dies in it. There's loads there. So
amazing.
Yeah, we'll look through some of the dies. Well, by the way, so if you're watching this video, it's available now. There's also going to be a live stream on the Friday as well, which you'll be able to find on YouTube and on Facebook with myself and Alison, where she's going to be showing you how to put the.
I'll show you exactly how to put the card together.
Yeah, so we'll have that. So join us for a bit of chat. If you have any more questions about the set, you can do that. And we have inspiration as well. So post-launch of all of the dies that you're going to see there from lots of different crafters, just showing you how it's done. All right.
So the size card we've got here, it is an A2 size card, but that doesn't mean to say that this is not going to fit on the front of any other size card. This is just the size of the back panel, just to give you more versatility. So how you decorate it, entirely up to yourself. Plenty of room to put your crystal drops, your dream drops, any of the drops you've got in your collections. Then we move on. So there's a couple that are made with a trifold mechanism. Layers behind, different colours behind.
That's it. So lets you contrast your colours in
exactly.
In three. So it's
exactly.
It's cool. So they're the trifold. So the original. We've sort of divided the inspiration up into sort of 3 sets. Then you have your sort of next steps in the different ways that you can use them sort of beyond the trifold. Well, that's great.
This is the next one.
That's pretty neat.
Where we've used all the layers. Oops, let me pop some of them down so you can see. We've used all the little leaves here again, but we've popped off the tabs and put them onto 3D foam pads. So they're all there, but they're all stuck down. So if a movable card is not what you like to make, this is the option again.
That's it.
Really pretty, really soft and gentle. I think
your layers, those layers are created for you to create that cascading waterfall sort of look to it. And these are some others and others on the show now where you're using those sentiments and you're using those designs and that in that sort of card.
Use your lettering, because your lettering pops out of the card to be used. The lettering is as it is, so you can use these on another card. So maybe you've cut that panel, your letters have popped out, it's an easy second card for you to make. So that's beautiful.
There we go. So
and then we're using our extra sentiments then. So we've got a little bit of inking in the background. This is our Christine. We've got Just Because again. She's cut out the letters, layered them up so they're a little bit chunky and you've got a little bit of texture there, and added the beautiful little heart on the bottom. So another stunning card.
There we go. You can find all this inspiration as well. We'll take photos of them and they'll be on the website.
So this one, we've used the U and the 4. So we've used the 2 layers again. We've layered them and used all the decoration, because all this decoration is coming in your dies as well. There's nothing on here that you're not going to receive. So another really pretty card. I'm loving this stripy layering as well. Yeah.
I think, and that's it. You've taken on that one, it's taken the just out, and you're just leaving it for you. So, yeah, that's that cool interchangeable nature of it is there, present in the dies.
I mean, this is a lovely little quick card, a bit of inking in the background, and just to say, because if you want a card just to say, you want it quickly usually. It's not something you want to think about. It's something you need to say immediately. This is going to make you quick cards for you.
This is about that. It's trying with the designer's choice. What we want to do every month is take, the innovation that you'll see sometimes in a whole collection, and we try to distill it into one die. In one die set that you can create loads of different things with one die set.
But doesn't mean to say it doesn't work with your other layering dies as well. So this one has been layered to the hilt. If you can see the layers on there. If you like your more traditional cards, doesn't mean to say this is not going to suit your style either.
So it lets you expand the size with, the size with them.
It does. It does. The flowers are all layered up. Again, these are all in your little set. And we've got a Just Married card here. Absolutely gorgeous. And the last card is Just a Note. And again, around this, I think this is Christine, this says. I think that one's Vicky. We're thinking it's Vicky's style, but I've got a name on the back.
That's it, the name on the back.
So if I got the wrong name, I am sorry. This one again, lovely little bit of inking, but we've used the Just as a stencil here and gone around it with a gel pen to add a little bit of interest. So lots of little things that you can do with these. I think this is going to be a play with me kit because there is going to be huge amounts.
There is, and you can combine them with your dimensions.
You know you love your boxes.
As we say, so you know your bags, etc. If you want to add, because the bags can be, you know, they're really pretty without sort of sentiments, but you can add sentiments to them, as you see
exactly.
for you, and you know, you can cut them for versatility on there, so you can use them for you. And yeah, so those are some little bags that have been used with them, so you can combine them with other things. And then
when I was making these, I was thinking about the sentiments and what we would use the sentiments for, and I thought it would make a reasonably priced table centre for a wedding, and that was my inspiration for this. So it's a plain box. I bought some silk flowers, a little jam jar, and then just made a little box and put the panels on the box with the just married and decorated them. So if you're doing a wedding on a budget,
yeah,
it's a really, really easy, quick thing to do, and easily stored as well.
And as I said, the fonts are classic. You know, they are yeah, stylish, sort of classic fonts that you can use for weddings and things like that. So they're, yeah, really nice in that way.
This doesn't have to be a wedding either, mind. This could be, you know, when sometimes you buy a bunch of flowers, and a lot of them come now with what do they call them? The aqua seal on the bottom. They come in like a bag of water.
Yeah.
What a better way to pop it in there and then to deliver it, and your message then can be attached to the other side.
And so you got you know, the florals to give it context then if you want to do that with florals. So yeah, really pretty, and yeah, that's the inspiration, and that is designer's choice number 4, the Just For You trifold die set. These are available now, so yeah, if you're watching this video, it's available on the store, but it's only available for the month, okay? So you've got until around the 14th of February to make your orders exclusively from Tonic Studios. After that, it won't be available on the store, so yeah, get this, you know, get this while you can. There, as we said, 25 dies, $19.99 on the store. You can order from wherever you are in the world. If you're outside the USA, order from the UK store, but if you are in the USA, you can order from our US store, whichends.com. All right, and you can select on the top of the website where you want to go. So there you have it. That's thanks from us. If you want to watch a tutorial for this, you can find it on the YouTube channel where we show you the basic mechanism. But until next time, see you soon. Bye bye.